Hi, for those of you who may not know me, my name is Dwayne Baughman. 39 years ago, I said yes to Jesus, but did not fully understand what it meant, nor what it meant to be a Christian and a follower of Jesus. Prior to my decision, I thought of things like, I've done too many sinful things, no way I could ever be forgiven or make up for what I've done. I could never clean up my life and no longer do sinful things. I'm not sure church or religion are for me. I don't like to be told what to do, and I don't want to follow a lot of rules and rituals. After saying yes to Jesus, I was still feeling and struggling with questions, thoughts, and feelings such as, I'm not experiencing the freedom from sin, guilt, and shame. Why don't I feel different since I said yes to Jesus? How come I still sin even though I try not to? Following Jesus is a heavy load, a lot of work. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to heaven. I'm not feeling the peace, joy, hope everyone talks about. What helped me more than anything was an in-depth study of the book of Romans, chapters 1 through 8, which lays out in a very orderly and clear way the gospel of Jesus Christ. I've been working through this for the last 10 months, and it has helped me answer many of the questions and change how I feel and felt. If you see yourself in either of these positions, have not said yes to Jesus, or have said yes to Jesus, and are thinking or feeling one of the many things I mentioned, I would like you to consider the possibility you don't understand clearly the true gospel of Jesus Christ and what it means to say yes to Jesus and follow Him. If this is the case, then I encourage you to come on a 10-week journey and dig into the first 8 chapters of Romans and see for yourself the true gospel of Jesus Christ. If you take this journey and allow the truth of God to replace the incorrect ideas that we have allowed to become truth in our lives, you will begin to find the freedom, peace, joy, hope God promises and you have heard about and expect. John Mark Comer, in his book, Live No Lies, says it like this: the cold hard truth is our mental maps, the collection of ideas by which we navigate life, can be wrong, at times horribly so. This was me living my life based on my incorrect ideas about the gospel instead of God's truth. Please join me for a Grow Workshop, The Gospel, Romans 1 through 8, registration information coming soon.